So during the summer, we stop our more tailored individual programs that we run for often homeschooling families that are coming to Madrid for experiences or people who've just arrived, and we have our summer camp. So we take over a whole side of one of our buildings, so the only access is for parents and for the children. There's no other adults in that area. And it also means we can contain the noise and the dirt and the mess and the sparkles that come with our camp. It's 9 weeks that we run our camp, so people may come for the whole 9 weeks. Some families come for 2 weeks, others 3, 4. Every family has different plans over the summer. And what I love is how international the program is. You often find with these kind of programs that English is the medium of their natural language. With our camp, that's not the case. We have children from Russia, from China, from Hong Kong, from France, from Italy. Every country you can imagine is normally represented on our camp. So children don't just have English to rely on when they want to communicate. They have to communicate in Spanish because it's the only common language. It's a completely immersive experience. So the teachers only speak Spanish during the camp, and I think for adults it could be overwhelming. For children it just isn't. They just accept what's in front of them and they start painting their cat in blue, and they know that it's a gato and they know that it's azul, and off they go. And they're like sponges. They just absorb so much information during the camp. Every Friday we get a private coach that picks us up and we go off on an adventure somewhere and come back even dirtier than we started the day, if that's even possible. And it's a great experience, and at the end we hose that area down and paint it all up and get ready for a new year. So if you're thinking that you need more exposure to Spanish, maybe you've got a Spanish link within the family and you need to give it context within the wider world, or you're just starting out on your Spanish journey, or your children have had a few years, we have very small, very personalised groups. There's a maximum of 8 children per group, and our teachers are amazing, and our camp really is a huge amount of fun.